Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the Google Play Store issue of this item is not available in your country. So for that you need to open up your Play Store, and after that open up your profile by clicking on the top right corner. Then click on payments and subscriptions, and after that click on payment methods, and after that you need to scroll down and click on more payment settings. Wait for it to load, and after that click on the three lines that you will see on the top left side, and here go to your settings, then scroll down, and here you will find your country or region. Just change your country region and change your address to a different place where the application is available on Play Store, and after that you will be able to add that particular location, and all the apps that you are trying to install will be available in that particular region. So for that you need to change it, and after that go to your Play Store, and after opening up your Play Store just open up your profile again, and this time click on settings and go to general, and here click on account and device preferences, and here after adding up your country in that particular method that we just saw, and you will be able to find that country over here as an option, and you just have to select that particular country and everything should work fine with you, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.